From a sandstone tub to a carbon fiber hammock, sit back, relax, and check out these awesome bathtubs. Number 12. This all-natural tub is warm to the eye but cool to the touch. It's a match made in heaven that can usually only come from nature itself. This smooth-to-the-touch polished tub is held in a rocky earth base. It measures 72 inches long, 40 inches wide, and 26 inches high, which provides more than enough room for a deep soak. No two tubs will be the same due to the unique veining in the naturally occurring minerals. Different colors are available, as well as the option to get a matching slab for your countertops or sinks, which allow you to design a very well-coordinated bathroom. Number 11. This amazing tub received the Golden Wave Award in 2013 because of its versatility for allowing a nice retreat away from the stresses of life for one or a couple. This rather large bathtub can even accommodate taller people in a laid-back and relaxed position. It has integrated sound wave massaging capabilities that allow the person or persons to bathe directly in a loudspeaker, enjoying the excellent sound quality and feeling the vibrations down to their core. It also has 120 water and air nozzles to swirl the water around you and your partner. The most key feature is each bather is in their own section, and the centerpiece acts as a divider to allow each user to control the temperature to his or her liking without disturbing the other person. Number 10. This modern oval-shaped tub is about 72 inches in length, 19 inches in height, and 36 inches in width. It's hand-carved from a solid block of sandstone, which gives it a natural wood-like pattern while retaining the characteristic look and feel of sedimentary stone. This allows each tub to be unique to the block of stone that it was carved from. Since it's made of stone and stands rather tall, it requires a freestanding or wall-mounted faucet. Don't worry though, the designers still thought of overflow and they incorporated it into the side just in case the doorbell rings and you forget to turn the water off. Number 9. Following suit with all the natural tubs so far, we couldn't forget a wooden tub. If you're like us, all we could think of when we heard wooden tub is don't move the wrong way or you'll have splinters in some uncomfortable places. But after doing some research, we found that the quality and design that goes into each one of these is rather amazing. Wood brings a unique quality to furniture because you can be sure that you are the only person in the world with that grain pattern. Even the natural blemishes add a beauty that no one else will have. The manufacturer designed these gorgeous tubs with a soft curve to reflect the running water but still have a stable form. They have a core piece of wood that is hand-carved and sanded to a very smooth finish with a clear coat layer added to protect the wood from soaking in water. Number 8. There are actually two of these tubs in the world. Both were cut from two separate quartz crystal blocks that were mined from a quarry in Brazil and transported to Italy fully intact. The first tub was sold to a person in Russia in 2008 for around $1 million, and the second was sold for right around $800,000. Both were left partially exposed on the bottom to allow the natural crystal structure to be seen. These two bathtub owners can sit back and know that their money was well spent. Number 7. This tub has a very fitting name considering how well it incorporates bathing and lounging. It's a very nice fusion of the two words, allowing the user to lie back on a metallic chair equipped with ergonomic supports. Through the smoothly sanded wood floor, perfectly placed water jets give you the perfect air massage experience. The whole system is housed in a transparent cube, so hopefully you have a nice private bathroom to use this tub in. If you decide to lounge for a while, there's also a swiveling metallic table that can be used to hold whatever you'll need, and the tub filler is tucked neatly into the swiveling lamp above. Number 6. This luxurious cocoon-style bathtub uses a whirlpool design that sweeps the water up to the high point and then allows the water to fall back down out of the top spout, creating a bathtub that is both an artistic sculpture and a soothing fountain. It's the perfect way to add an elemental focal point to any bathroom. The tub also features an array of hydrojets and a chromotherapy system that gives it a spa-like feel. It also incorporates over 512 colors at your fingertips that will get you relaxed and let the day fade away. Number 5. This beauty really does differ from any other tub that we've seen on the market so far. The aggressive shape and the carbon fiber construction are intriguing to say the least. After curing the entire tub in an autoclave, it's given a lasting polish. The design has an amazing color and depth when finished, and the coating is the same that is found on high-end luxury cars, which, I might add, also repels water very well. If this is the tub you've been searching for your whole life, don't wait, because this is part of a limited edition line and only 51 units are being made. Number 4. Since we've had pretty much every material you can possibly make a tub from, then why not steel? This is a broad steel disc with a backrest. Its large bowl shape has more than enough room to accommodate more than one person if needed. The tub gives a very modern feel to your bathroom without taking away from the beauty. It's also known as a freestanding bathtub, which means that it stands alone wherever you put it with a water faucet next to it for filling. Number 3. This bathtub has lounge-style seating to relax in. And like number 7, it also has fully transparent siding. It's unique when it comes to its water overflow. It cascades the water out of the end of the tub onto a section of pebbles on the floor, which secretly hide the drain. All of this allows a waterfall-type effect, which helps as a natural therapeutic method as long as you keep the water running. Also, when you're finished with your bath, the main drain, which is hidden under the lounging seat, allows for quicker than normal emptying. Just to warn you though, you should probably buy a very large water heater to accompany this tub. You know, just in case you want to leave the water running, because who wants to take a cold bath? Number 2. The synergy of a hammock and a bathtub just works so well together. This wall-to-wall suspended tub is as easy on the eyes as it would be on the person taking the bath. The carbon fiber construction stays perfectly rigid to support a person and a tub full of water. This allows you to stay fully suspended in the air and gives you the perfect angle to lie back and relax while not having to worry about anything else. The tub is filled using a floor-standing tap. The wastewater is released through the base and is completely discarded from a drain positioned in the center of the floor under the tub. Number 1. Since you don't need a dedicated room to take a bath anymore, here's our number 1 pick. This round glass bathtub isn't held to the floor and isn't held by the walls like any of its other predecessors. It's fully suspended from the ceiling. Yes, I said the ceiling. It's very reminiscent of the classic floating bubble chair. The support that holds the tub is also what fills it, as well as controlling the temperature, lights, sounds, and even smells. Yes, I said smells. A rainwater simulation can be added to the bubble bath that is completely different from anything you've ever heard or smelled. Sounds crazy, right? But don't write it off until you've had a chance to try it out.
Hey guys, this is Amber. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You can help out by hitting the like button and also sharing with your friends. Have you hit that subscribe button yet? If not, make sure you do so. And while you're there, go ahead and hit the bell notification so you can be the first to see all of the latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.